Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Keep learning and stay happy. Do subscribe to the channel so that you will get notification about the upcoming videos. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Today we are going to speak about the preposition of off. Off के बारे में हम लोग इस वीडियो में जानकारी लेने वाले हैं. Off ये एक preposition है. Prepositions क्या होते हैं? Preposition का use कहाँ कहाँ पे किया जाता है? Preposition के types क्या होते हैं? प्रेपोजिशन के एग्जाम्पल्स क्या होते हैं ये हमने पहले एक वीडियो में देख रखा है. If you have not watched that video, then please go to the link in the description box and do watch that video first. Let's see the uses of preposition of. The use one, relative to one object and part of that object. Open the lid of the box. Here you can see that the object is the box and lid is the part of that box. So we use here of to connect the lid and the box. The cover of the book is good. The point of the nib is soft. The hands of the clock show time. The legs of the stool are nice. The second use, one object inserting between another object. कोई ऐसी चीज जो किसी दूसरे चीज में हम डाल रहे हैं तो हमें ऑफ का यूज करना चाहिए. Give me a glass of juice. ग्लास किससे भरा है? जूस से भरा है, तो हमें यहाँ पे ऑफ का यूज करना है. He will have a cup of milk. She gave me a bag of rice. This basket of flowers is very beautiful. Get me a bottle of good ink. Glass of juice, cup of milk, bag of rice, basket of flowers, bottle of good ink. All these are examples of one object inserted between another object. One material means juice, milk, rice. These all are inserted between the glass, cup, bag. Okay, let's see the third use. Material and a thing made from it. कोई चीज, कोई वस्तु और उससे बनी हुई किसी और वस्तु के बारे में हम लोग जब बात करते हैं तो हमें ऑफ का यूज करना चाहिए. The juice of grapes is good. जूस किससे बना है? ग्रेप्स से बना है. ग्रेप्स का जूस है तो हमें यूज करना है ऑफ. Juice of grapes. The roses of this plant are nice. The box of paper is small. There is a bridge of rope near the temple. You can make a bed of leaves. Let's see the fourth use. Whole material or object and part of that material or object. कोई ऐसी चीज या वस्तु, उसका और उसके कोई पार्ट का हम जब मेंशन करते हैं तब हमें ऑफ का यूज करना चाहिए. There are 5 slices of bread in the plate. 5 slices and the bread के ही slices है. So to relate the slices and the bread we use of. She gave pieces of banana to her friends. This layer of the blackboard is not nice. This part of the city is new. This nib of the pen is hard. Let's see the uses of OFF off. There is the most confusion in these words, the OF off and OFF off. ऑफ का यूज, OF ऑफ का यूज तो हमने पहले देख रखा है. अब देखते हैं OFF ऑफ का यूज कहाँ पे होता है. OFF ऑफ का यूज वो उसी जगह पे होता है जब हमें कोई चीज निकल गई, कोई चीज बंद पड़ गई या फिर कोई चीज चली गई, ऐसा करके हमें मेंशन करना होता है तो हम OFF ऑफ का यूज करते हैं। और ऑफ का यूज दो टाइप से होता है। देयर आर टू वेज टू यूज दिस वर्ड OFF ऑफ। One is the preposition and second is the adverb. So, see the examples of the preposition. The clock fell off the wall. Clock wall से गिर गया। Fell off निकलकर गिर गया। तो हमें OFF ऑफ यूज करना है। The baton fell off her hand. The thief tried to yank the handbag off her shoulder. Let's see its use as adverb. The meeting is off. Meeting cancel हो गई। Radio is off. Radio बंद पड़ गया। Here you can see that the OFF off is used as an adverb. The village is still 5 miles off. Note that there should be always a noun or a pronoun after preposition. You can easily observe it in the examples of the preposition that there are always a noun or pronoun. That's it from this video. Stay tuned, keep learning and stay happy. Do like this video and subscribe to the channel.